Hi there. So welcome to our second video, and on this video we would like to share the currency format when we are typing the digit on a from. So something like we have typed something but we cannot visualize how much we have added or type it. So let's see how we can implement this. So on the from we have a input field here. So if you go to from, we have input field for the number, and the number format is set to the first option, and everything else is the default settings. So at first we have to set a class on there. So to set up a class, go to custom CSS and add a currency underscore input class name on this specific input field. After that, we have to add some custom JS. So if you don't have a child theme, then you can use a plugin to add custom CSS or JS on your website. So search for custom CSS, and here you will find simple custom CSS and JS. Install this one, and then you will be able to add custom CSS app and JavaScript file without having the child theme. So activate. After activate, you will find the option on the left side. Here is the custom CSS and JS. Here you will find all the available options. So we are going to add custom JavaScript. So you can give it a name. It's up to you. So give name and delete everything. Now we have to add our JavaScript file that will help us to implement the functionality we are looking for. So here is the JavaScript file. I will share this file with you, all the code, so you can just copy and paste to make it work. You don't have to write a single line of code. Then from the left side bar, you can set this as external file, so it will be like this. It will be implement or edit on your header or footer of the website, or you can use as a internal. So I'm going the external file, and we would like to add this on the footer, and of course it will be available on the front end, not the admin panel or the login page. So we can publish this one. So we are done, and here you see the same class name have been used there to target the input field. We would like to add the formatter. So give it a reload. Then if you type, you will find a format is added there, and you can easily visualize how much it could be here. So like when you type this, you can easily see it's 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. But without this one, it will not be possible for you. If you would like to delete the $sign, you will find this option. If you are searching there, you see here is the $sign. You can replace this one on something else, or you can just remove this one. It's totally up to you, but I am going to keep this as it is now. So that's how you can implement the number formatting option on your from. I hope that helps. If you're looking for a new videos, you can comment on the post, so I will try to make the video.